Chemical effects of current. If we mix an electrolyte like HCl plus water or base plus water or a salt plus water, which is a mixture of acid and base, we will get a good electrolyte. Now if this electrolyte has some electricity which is passed through it, some reaction will take place. Some change will occur in the electrolyte of the following type. The changes are either a formation of gas, which is if I have water as my electrolyte, which is mixed with some cations or anions, and I pass an electric current through the water, it will give me distilled water or H2 gas and O2 gas, which will get separated in the process. And this type of distilled water is used in the batteries because it does not form a good electrolyte, as it does not allow the current to pass through it. Now the other reactions are vaporization of the liquid or the electrolyte, a change in color of the electrolyte as the electricity is passed through the electrolyte. Fourth is a change of the electrolyte characteristics, like if I have hydrochloric acid which has one H plus and one Cl minus, and as this is a compound, this will convert into H and Cl, that is simple compound, simple elements. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड जो एक कंपाउंड है वो कन्वर्ट होके सिर्फ सिंपल एलिमेंट दैट इज हाइड्रोजन और क्लोरीन में हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली अगर H2O जो मेरा कंपाउंड है वो भी कन्वर्ट होकर सिंपल हाइड्रोजन एलिमेंट और ऑक्सीजन एलिमेंट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा अगर मैं उस इलेक्ट्रोलाइट में से पास करता हूं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. नाउ कम्स दिस इलेक्ट्रो रिफाइनिंग और इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग. इलेक्ट्रो रिफाइनिंग इज अ टाइप ऑफ रिफाइनिंग प्रोसेस जिसमें हम हमारे मेटल को, जो हमारा इम्प्योर मेटल है, उससे प्योर मेटल पे चढ़ाते हैं. अगर इस कॉपर की स्ट्रिप में जिसमें अलग अलग एलिमेंट्स मिक्स हो रखे हैं और इम्प्योर हो चुका है, हम इसमें क्या करेंगे, अगर हमें इस कॉपर के वायर को थिक करना है, इफ आई वांट द इम्प्योर कॉपर एलिमेंट्स टू गो टू दिस वायर and this wire to get thicker and thicker and thicker, I will connect these two to a full circuit. Now this is a battery. This will allow the current to pass from the positive side to the negative side. How this will do? नीचे एक solution है. The solution is made up of copper sulfate solution, which is an electrolyte. The copper sulfate solution will allow the impure copper ions which are pure copper. Impure copper में copper के साथ साथ और भी elements mixed हैं. इसमें से सिर्फ copper के जो ions हैं, which is copper 2+, they will start flowing to this thin copper strip which is pure copper, and this will start depositing. End में नीचे जो sludge है, which can be any other type of impurity, this will be left. So this is known as electrorefining. If I start the process, the impure copper ions will start moving to the pure side and make the pure side thicker. This is the deposition of copper ions on the copper rod. Now, there are two electrodes in any type of battery. If you look at a normal battery, this is a normal cell which we have at home. The pointed side, this is known as the plus side and the minus side. The plus side is called the anode. And the negative side is called the cathode. Now, the flow of electrons is from the anode to the cathode. Anode to cathode. Now, as we remember, the negative ions are called anions, positive ions are called cations. But the positive electrode is called an anode and the negative electrode is called a cathode. Now, as the impure copper, which is the anode, goes to the pure copper, which is the cathode, the deposition of these ions will result in the thickening of this wire, and this will make this complete thing vanish and convert into small sludge or get converted to go on the pure side. The same process is also followed for electroplating. If I want one strip of zinc to go and deposit on one strip of iron, what I will do is I will connect it in the same way, and this iron rod will get fully coated with zinc because the same process will follow, and this complete strip will get either converted into sludge or will vaporize. Now I will have a small tube which will have a coating of zinc over it, and this will be rust free. For more advantages and other uses of electroplating, you have to look at this figure. This is how electroplating works. This is the impure copper, this is the pure copper. The flow of electrons is over here, and this is the formation of sludge. This is the same process for electroplating of copper, and this is the result. This is an iron cup which has zinc coating all over it. The same process is also used by jewelers to make gold plated jewelries. Please refer to page number 180 for more. Thank you.